We'll come back with some turtles in a little bit. The turtles. Yes, we're eating turtles.
I've often thought that living in the Bahamas on a sailboat doesn't make life perfect or even better.
Comparable to Mickey D's, right? But way better.
Beach, chill. It's awesome. It's the best place.
I finally made friends here. Yay. We jump out of trees. It's about what we do. And then we play volleyball.
It just makes it harder to do those mundane chores without constant distractions. But spending the last week here in Georgetown, I found we need to get a few chores done. Primarily repair the head, the toilet. Otherwise, we'd have a crappy boat.
Hey, how's it going? So we rolled out of bed this morning. Went to the restroom like we normally do. However, the restroom wasn't working normally. The head would not flush.
Hey, we're the Fosters, a small family currently traveling the Bahamas on a sailboat. And welcome to this episode where we have toilet problems, go for a great sail, and eat turtles on a beach. If you're new here, we invite you to subscribe.
So, I've started my morning sitting right here doing work. Started troubleshooting. I thought the pump was dead, the macerator pump. But then I was checking the voltage. We had plenty of voltage at the breakers. That would be 13 volts or whatever it is. And I came over here and only have like 8 to 10 volts. So I'm thinking, oh my gosh, that's not good. We have jumper cables. They're hooked directly to our lithium battery bank. And now we're hooking them directly to the pump. If it's a voltage problem, so if we have a problem with the wiring, hooking it directly to the battery bypasses all the wiring and it should work. We'll guarantee we get 13 volts to the pump. If it's a pump problem, I plug it in here and it should not work. So let's give it a shot. This is the 12 volt plug here. Oh yeah, nice. All right, so pump works. Pump works good. That's good news. Otherwise, we would be in a bucket. We'd be in a bucket until we can get parts. That's a problem. This wire is the power to the pump. It just broke right off. You can see all that corrosion there. Look at that. Copper gone bad. The job is easy. Reconnect it with good wire. The hard part is finding the wire and getting in there. So this may be all morning. It's already 10 o'clock, so paradise, paradise. All right, so good progress.
Yes!
Woo! The flushing works. We are back in business. If we didn't get the... Okay, we are underway. Did a few last errands in Georgetown, checking up on our dinghy motor. It's getting repaired, and new problems have arisen. We're not going to talk about that right now, though. Until it's finished, I'll share it with you. But we got a beautiful sail kicking here, and we're going up to Crab Cay for the next 2 nights. Maybe do some spear fishing, swimming, just kind of get away as a family, How's the sail, Nance?
Gorgeous. We're just making a quick little spin here in Stocking Harbor over to Crab Cay. It's going to be beautiful.
Okay.
But it's time to tack.
Oh, it's time to tack?
It's time to tack.
All right. Well, we're going to tack, and then we'll pick up with you in a second. We're going that way now. look, they're sailing the Vagabond. The legends.
Yesterday we followed the road to moon. We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me the beauty of this life. Such a feeling.
The sail was so simple in protected waters and with a calm breeze. It was cool seeing the Vagabond sail by, and the anchorage at Crab Cay was nothing less than top-notch. We met new friends here. Olivia learned to scurf. Awesome. And I slipped away for a little snorkel.
Precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves. The slow pace. The salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place.
All right, so this may have started out with a lot of chores and dirty jobs, but I think the day ended up pretty good. What do you think?
It was fun. It was very fun.
I like these little anchorages like this. You know, a couple days ago we were back at the busy anchorage, the community, but here it's quiet. There's 5 of us out here, 5 boats. I've already met 4 of the people. Olivia and I did the scurfing. Thank
She
you.
was a natural. I think she did
She
so
was
good.
so proud of her. Thank you, Debbie, for just coming out and saying hi and having some fun with us. And watch the sunset. This is what I like.
Me too. Quiet, peaceful.
That's good.
Salty breeze and the waves.
Hey, we're going to the beach today. It's really, really warm. It's time to get in that water. But today's a fun day because we're going to build a fire on the beach and we're going to have turtles. It's going to be so delicious. I can't wait.
We're eating turtles.
Eating turtles.
Hold tight. Here we go.
Salty breeze and the waves. The slower pace. The salty breeze.
All right, getting firewood for the fire, so we can have our turtles in a minute. Oh, you have little seats too, huh? Yeah. Oh, perfect. So while the adults were out collecting wood, I snuck off to grab a beer and play with Olivia.
20 minutes later. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. Salty
Light her up.
and the waves.
Oh yeah. Look what Olivia did. This is cool. Watch this. That's my girl. Got friends in the water, around the campfire. Olivia and I are doing a little science, yeah?
Yeah.
Playing with science. So we're playing around with erosion and weathering. She built this river and we're watching the effects of water coming down the waterfall.
So if it hits here, it will get here. It will make this deeper and it will form through. So we're trying to make a delta here that actually keeps it from hitting this structure as much, as well as get the river to flow into both sides.
Just having a good old time. I see the screen's a little dirty here, so I'm gonna clean you up and. Okay, here's the secret on the turtles. They're not turtles, we're not eating sea turtles. But the potato is the turtle shell,
and all the veggies and all the fixings are the organs. And so we make the turtle, close it all up, and put it on the coals. All right, so here's an example. Alicia, what you got in your turtles here?
I've got steak, onion, sweet peppers, jalapeno peppers, and cheese.
Nice. Looks good. Looks great. So it comes out like a roast with potatoes. Yum. We'll show you when it's finished. Turtle.
It's really, really good.
Oh,
It's
that
hot.
looks great.
Yeah, there you go, Matt. Have some of that.
Yeah. Let's see it.
I'd blow on it first.
Let's see
I
it.
gotta blow on it. It's hot.
Too hot? Oh, good choice of veggies. That looks good. That's the first turtles of the night. First turtles. Would you like me to pull it off? Yours are probably ready.
Yeah.
Bowl. We a little sandy in the bowl though, right?
Yep.
Well, you're just gonna.
Yeah. Oh, this looks good. This feels good. It's popping in my hand.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Score.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Turtles are good tonight.
Salt.
What do you think though?
Yummy turtles.
Look at that. Here, take a taste for us.
I like extra seasoning.
So this afternoon, before we came over, I was worried about all the black
Oh,
clouds.
it's good.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Is that good?
Oh my god. So yummy.
All right, so recipe is in the link below.
As it got closer,
And shoot, backyard food as well.
fairly certain.
Currently, yes.
So yeah, the day went from crappy to Crab Cay to one of the best evenings at the beach you could ask for. Friends, family, and a peaceful sunset. Really, this is what it's all about. The simple life. Live free, journey on.
The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace, the salty breeze and the waves, the man's a right place.
So thanks for watching today's episode. We really appreciate it. And if you could like the video, share it with a friend or give it a thumbs up. That'll mean a lot to us. Helps support our channel. We really appreciate it.